Welcome to the virtual tour of Coniston Crescent in the village of Cumberland. I'm Koch-Schulte, a realtor. I hope you enjoy this tour. It's almost a 3,000 square foot home with a suite downstairs, 2 bedrooms with a den. Lovely. The village of Cumberland really is a super cool place. It's got everything for families, for retirees, great restaurants, climbing wall, great pubs, brew pubs, great schools. There's even a BMX trail. The Cumberland community trails have bike trails for everyone. So if you're a mountain biker, you should come here. This property has it all. Almost 3,000 square feet. That includes a 1,400 square foot, 2 bedroom plus a den suite on the ground floor. Awesome. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of Coniston Crescent, but remember, it's better in person.